So what you're gonna need is a pump, scale here. Fillable gauge. I got one of these. This, grab our fittings. R134 is different from the Y2F, so fittings here. I'm just gonna put this on hand tight. Make sure everything's closed. Alright, this last one's gonna go on the pump right here. Alright guys, I'm gonna be doing this AC here. Show you the temps I got going here. So yeah, 52, 50 degrees out here in this one. 57 on that one. About 46 on this one. And this one. See what we can do. For these, and you don't want to, because of all this extra stuff that you just don't need. So stick with this basic pure R134. Now this has already been evacuated. You want to make sure you do that. But I'm gonna open my valves here. Not high, not low. So you want to make sure they're closed before you connect them, so you don't break the Schrader valve. It's already open. About 30 minutes. Let all the air out. Make sure it gets to that 30. Take it out. Alright, I've had this going for almost an hour now, but 12 ounce and one 7-ounce can. So we want 8.4 left over. 8.5, 8.4, either one. So get our can ready here. 15.6. Screw this on. That was scary. Alright. Clear the air out. Start her up. Circulate. Yep. 2.6, so that's right. Next one. Yep. Empty there. Alright. Let's see. Hold on, that's looking at 10.1. So 1.5. That's like a shot. 8.4. So that'll be it. Perfect amount. So that's tight. And let's check our temps. 43, 40, 40, 5, not forward. No more even. Woo, damn. Well, that's better. 28, 36, 34, 33. Oh yeah. So yeah, definitely a little difference there. So, this helped you out. Thanks for watching.